Hello, this is Lisa Madro, and this is the 7th grade Social Studies curriculum presentation. Pictured here are the 7th grade Social Studies teachers. Mr. Witter is not pictured. Some of the things that your child needs for social studies in 7th grade, the main thing that they need is an interactive notebook. All students must have a one-subject notebook in class every day. This is where they'll take notes, this is where they'll put vocabulary, this is where their study guides for tests will be located. This is something that we use in class on a daily basis. As far as tests and projects, this is where their formal grades for social studies will come from. We'll take a unit test every few weeks or so, and projects will be assigned quarterly. Students will be receiving information for their first quarter projects very soon. As far as homework, what most of the homework looks like in social studies in 7th grade is the form of a weekly assignment. These will alternate and vary, but for the most part, the homework might consist of documents of the week, where we will give them a set of historical documents to read and answer some questions. This homework will always be electronic through Google Classroom. Your student might also receive weekly homework in the form of current events. We will have them watch a student news broadcast daily for a week, and they will have some tasks to complete along with the watching of the newscast. Again, this assignment will be electronic through Google Classroom. The only other homework that your student might have is long-term projects, of course, and then any daily assignments that they may not finish in the allotted class time. As far as what we study in 7th grade, we begin the year with the Great Global Convergence. We're essentially teaching world history from the Renaissance up to the modern day. So the current unit of study that we're in right now, we're finishing up the Protestant Reformation. We'll begin the Renaissance shortly. After that unit, the next major unit that we move into is the Age of Revolutions, where we pay particular attention to the Enlightenment, the American and French revolutions, and their impact. After Christmas break, or near Christmas break, we talk about the rise of world powers. And then when we return from break, we come back and we start our global conflict unit, which includes World War I, the interwar years, and then World War II. In the spring, we'll be teaching students, we'll be discussing the Cold War, and then we end the year talking about our modern global society and issues that our world currently faces. We go right up to terrorism. Our terrorism unit is how we end the year. These are the things that we talk about in 7th grade social studies. One thing that I want to encourage you is for your student to really take some personal responsibility in 7th grade. By the time they get to December of 7th grade, they're exactly halfway in between elementary school and high school. So it's a fantastic time, 7th grade, to start acquiring the skills that they need towards independence and in order to be successful in high school. If you have questions about anything that you've heard in this presentation, please contact your child's social studies teacher by email. Thank you and have a great day.